Hi there, my name is Avi and welcome to this brand new Introduction to Python Programming course. I'm the CEO and founder of the Codex, and through Udemy, YouTube, and my own platform, I've taught over 1 million students around the world how to code. My journey first started on Udemy 8 years ago, where I now have over 16 courses that teach a wide variety of concepts, from comprehensive Python programming to Apple Watch development, iOS, WordPress, Django, and more. From Udemy, I launched my very own YouTube channel, The Codex. The Codex is a platform filled with free content, from Python projects to helpful series like GitHub, Java, machine learning, and more. Check it out at youtube.com/c/thecodex, and you can subscribe to watch any of my videos. If you're interested in more practical-based content, building projects with Python, I offer a series of projects on my own platform, thecodex.me. Anyways, I'm really excited you stopped by this course because this course was meant for anyone interested in learning more about Python programming. This course will be offered in several languages, including Hindi, Spanish, and French. And so if English is not your native language, check out my Udemy profile and try watching this course in a different language and let me know what you think. With that said, over 800,000 students have taken this course, and I hope you're one of them to jumpstart your Python programming career. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the course.